Imagine waking up every day knowing that your bank account is growing without you having to clock in a 9 to 5 job. Sound too good to be true? Well, in 2025, creating multiple stream of income is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. So how can you make this happen? Let's dive into exactly how can you create multiple income stream this year. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mindful Wealth Education, the channel where we help you to master your finances and level up your life. If you are tired of relying on a single source of income, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into practical steps to build multiple stream of income in 2025. Whether you are new to this or looking to expand, by the end of this video, you will have a clear action plan to start growing your wealth. Step 1. Start with passive income. First thing first, passive income is key. This is money that flow to you with little effort after the initial setup. Think real estate investment, dividend paying stock, or creating an online course that generate income while you sleep. In 2025, platforms like Airbnb or crowdfunding for real estate have make it easier for everyone to tap into this income stream. Start small. Investing in a rental property or dividend stock is a great way to start. Practical tip for real estate: consider starting with a small property or partnering with other in a real estate investment trust. Step 2. Leverage online opportunities. The internet is full of opportunities, whether it's starting an e-commerce store on platform like Shopify or Amazon, or offering your skill on Fiverr or Upwork. The online world is the perfect place to diversify your income. By 2025, new tool like AI-driven platform and automation tool can help you run this business with minimal time investment. Practical tip: start by offering your skill part-time while keeping your full-time job and gradually transition to full-time freelancing once you see consistent income. Step 3. Build a personal brand and monetize it. Building a personal brand is more important than ever. Social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok offer opportunities for creators to earn money through sponsorship, ad, and affiliate marketing. Even if you are not a content creator, you can still promote products that align with your value and earn commission. Practical tip: consistency is key here. Start posting regularly, engage with your audience, and explore affiliate marketing as a way to monetize your content. Step 4. Invest in the stock market. Another great income stream to explore is stock market investment. While investing in stock is not a new, in 2025, the ability to use apps like Robinhood, eToro, or Webull make investing more accessible than ever. You don't need a lot of capital to start. Just a small, consistent investment into index fund or dividend stock can help grow your wealth over time. Practical tip: start by focusing on low-risk investment like index fund and learn how to diversify your portfolio for more stability. Step 5. Develop a side hustle. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a side hustle. It can be anything from freelance writing, graphic design, tutorial, or even delivering food. With platforms like Uber, DoorDash, or TaskRabbit, it's easier than ever to start a side hustle with little upfront cost. The key is to choose something you are passionate about and commit to it in your free time. Practical tip: pick a side hustle that require minimal upfront investment but offer high return for your time. Something that you can scale with little effort. Conclusion: creating multiple stream of income is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone who willing to put in the effort and build something long term. Whether it's investing in stock market, building a personal brand, or exploring different side hustle, 2025 is the perfect year to start. Remember, don't try to do everything at once. Focus on one stream and master it, and then move to other one. And if you want more tips like this, hit that subscribe button and join us on the journey of financial growth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe below with your thought on which income stream you are going to start working on first. And if you have not already, subscribe to the channel for more actionable tips on improving your wealth and mindset. I will see you in the next video.